Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send from PhonePe to Google Pay. So let's get into the video. Firstly, open up PhonePe and log into your PhonePe account. So once you've logged into your PhonePe account here, so once you're on your home screen here, so what we're going to do, if you want to send to your Google Pay, you can simply select these. You can select this option here. So either you can select to UPI ID, simply select this one to bank or UPI ID, hit on UPI ID and then click on add new UPI ID, then add in the UPI ID of your Google Pay account. So you can get that from your Google Pay here. So if you open up your Google Pay and then click on your profile here, you will see your UPI ID. So you can just copy that and you can use that, or you can get the UPI ID of the person whom you want to send it to and hit on verify and confirm, and then you'll be able to send money to that UPI ID. Or else what you can do, you can simply also hit on this mobile number option and then you can simply type in the GPay number of that person, whoever you want to send to. So just type in their GPay number, and once you have typed in, then all you have to do, you'll get to this screen here, select the contact and you'll get to the screen here, and then just type in the amount you want to send and hit on send, and that's pretty much it. So hope this video was helpful to you all. I will see you in another video. Thank you.